Searching for comfortable long-distance travel? The 3D design studio Zoyo debuted the unique electric-powered taxi known as Swiftpod. It has a distinctive three-wheel base where the third wheel maximizes passenger room by being on the side. Perfect for sitting, dining at pull-out tables, or napping on your way. Inside, you will find 2 beds and 2 seats. Under the seats, luggage tucks nicely. Built-in artificial intelligence algorithms in the Swiftpod adjust for traffic and journey time. Arriving at your destination rejuvenated, this future cab presents a novel approach to mobility. Designed to precisely replicate human face emotions, the Emo Robot is a breakthrough in human-robot interaction. Unlike other robots, this self-learning one can predict a grin and replicate it back, hence enabling more natural interactions. Its 2 high-end cameras and 26 actuators produce subtle movements. Emo practices in front of a mirror for hours, trying to learn proper emotional display. Human expressions let one forecast a smile 840 milliseconds ahead of time. This invention builds confidence in human-robot partnerships by dramatically improving communication with robots. Making artificial friends feel more emotionally sophisticated and relatable marks a major progress. DJI Dock 2 automates drone takeoff and landing. This remote monitoring platform's weatherproof base protects drones from dust and moisture. External cameras in the station allow operators to remotely set flying trajectories and filming angles for environmental evaluation. Drones autonomously recharge after each operation, ensuring they're ready for the next. Dock 2 is ideal for mapping, surveying, and rescue because it eliminates on-site staff. 6-month maintenance intervals let it run in remote areas for lengthy periods, collecting data consistently. The newest wonder from Sony is a robotic surgeon able to do exact procedures, even cutting a cut on a corn kernel. Specifically for performing difficult operations, especially those involving nerves and small blood veins, this powerful robot is meant to help doctors. Unmatched control comes from its VR-like operator configuration, which produces a 3D perspective in 4K through OLED panels. This robot is likely to relieve the load of specialized surgeons as their shortage exists. It can also independently change surgical tools, therefore reducing the requirement for human involvement. One unusual little electric automobile is causing waves in Israel. Ideal for city driving, it may reduce in size to make navigating limited areas simpler. From age 14, teens can drive it. Its small width of 4.5 feet narrows to 3 feet by wheelbase adjustment. This is perfect for limited lanes and close parking. With very basic controls, the car is meant for one person. Although with a top speed of 54 miles per hour, it isn't the fastest, it is a sensible answer for city traffic, as it can cover 110 miles on one charge. Built for speed and style, the Cobalt 50 Valkyrie is hailed as the fastest single-engine piston aircraft available worldwide. With a 350 horsepower engine that lets it cruise at 155 miles per hour, this model, meant to carry 5 passengers. Its fuel-efficient architecture offers a range ideal for extended trips, 1,150 nautical miles, whereas the rear-mounted engine reduces cabin noise for a more comfortable flying experience. The 3-blade Hartzell aluminum propeller guarantees strong takeoff. Complying with FAR 23 certification for unrestricted flight, this aircraft combines elegance with modern technologies with fighter jet-inspired front wings for enhanced maneuverability and an anti-icing system. Combining legs with wheels for maximum mobility, the XGO Rider is the first artificial intelligence-powered desktop robot available worldwide. Reflecting its popularity, developed by Chinese artists, it exceeded 6 times its initial goal on Kickstream. Driven by a Raspberry Pi CM4, it boasts gesture, face, and position recognition, and combines ChatGPT for chat. It also provides a microbit board model, ideal for teaching young children programming principles. The special emoji faces give a clever twist, that increases user interest. With a 5-megapixel camera, twin microphones, and a speaker, the $250 price tag makes it a flexible and reasonable option for both teachers and tech aficionados. Constructed like a crane with hydraulic supports and a sizable extended arm, Icon's Phoenix is a novel robotic 3D printer. Made for big-scale building, it can print up to 3-story tall structures. Given past models couldn't produce low-carbon combinations to such degrees, this is a major improvement. Its creative sensor-driven orientation guarantees accuracy printing. A digital gallery of multi-story patterns streamlines user experience. Phoenix, at 70 feet tall, guarantees sustainable building methods and unmatched adaptability in erecting intricate buildings. All you need is to decide on a layout. Phoenix will produce your personalized house straight at the designated site. Inspired by the first tennis cannon designer René Lacoste, the NS Play L1 is a small, clever training instrument. Made in Hong Kong, this gadget weighs under 5 kilograms and drives tennis balls at up to 80 kilometers per hour. It is perfect for practicing without a coach, since remote and mobile app controls let players personalize training sessions. Each load consists of 50 balls, hence you can keep playing without regular reloads. Having raised more than $740,000 on Kickstarter, this user-friendly tennis cannon clearly finds the sweet spot for aficionados. For everyone trying to improve their game, the $349 beginning price appeals. Developed for carbon collection to help to slow down climate change, Climeworks Mammoth is a novel facility. Running at maximum capacity, it can yearly extract approximately 36,000 tons of CO2, equal the emissions of 8,000 gas-powered vehicles. Rocks contain the collected carbon, which progressively transforms into carbonates by chemical processes. Representing a new front in sustainable technologies, it is a major step towards lowering world carbon footprints. This plant is opening the path for a better environment by converting trapped CO2 into a long-term fix against global warming. TranspoNet Pneumatic Pipelines have been installed in order to improve efficiency at Schwarzwald Bar Clinic and the University Hospital Bonn. With 145 transfer stations in Bonn alone, these pipelines allow quick movement of drugs, test results, and research findings along 16 kilometers of pipes. Among the biggest systems of their sort in Europe, this vast installation is the pneumatic technology guarantees faster patient treatment and greatly enhances clinic operations, thereby saving staff time. Automating the delivery procedure has helped the hospitals increase their capacity to handle large patient loads. Eliminating the need for laundry baskets and hand carrying, LaundryJet is a futuristic answer for delivering soiled clothes straight to the laundry room. Perfect for big houses, hospitals, and colleges, it boasts an amazing 122-meter range. Users can install up to 8 ports to control several washing loads, therefore guaranteeing seamless functioning. The sophisticated Ice Sense version permits hands-free opening with a wave for even more convenience. LaundryJet presents a creative approach to simplify laundry schedules, so saving time and lessening of household responsibilities. With its inflatable pillow design, which rests under the mattress, HeyRex Bed Maker streamlines bed making. Activated, a strong pump inflates the cushion, raising the mattress and facilitating the tucking in blankets and sheets. Eliminating the need to raise large mattresses, this tool is especially helpful for seniors, pregnant women, and people with physical restrictions. The whole process takes roughly a minute, therefore lessening tension and work. It's particularly handy in hotels since it provides housekeeping personnel with a faster approach for making mattresses. Designed with 2 independent blades on different axes that spin to match airflow, the B-Wind Vertical Turbine is a creative approach for gathering wind energy. This design guarantees effective energy generation even at low wind conditions, say between 5 and 7 miles per hour. Its design lets one increase performance by 15 to 20% above conventional turbines, standing at 119 feet without the requirement for a tall mast. The turbine's small size allows it to be erected inside local restrictions. Quietly running, it's appropriate for cities since it offers a renewable energy source less intrusive than traditional wind farms. TAWI Manipulators are meant to improve production environments and logistics efficiency. These tools greatly lessen physical strain by letting employees raise and transfer loads up to 64 kilograms with only one hand. It is flexible for diverse activities since the manipulators may spin 360 degrees and grab boxes from several angles. TAWI manipulators are not only employed in food manufacturing facilities for handling delicate objects, they also find application in logistics centers. In sectors dependent on human handling, this technology simplifies processes, therefore enhancing safety and output. Meant for Mars exploration, CoFlowJet's Maggie spacecraft has vertical takeoff ability to negotiate the rugged Martian surface. Perfect for hard-to-reach locations, it can lift off and land without a runway, armed with 2 rows of wings and 4 propellers. With a 1,000-mile total range every Martian year, the electric-powered craft can travel up to 111 miles on a single charge. Maggie's goals consist on gathering scientific data and looking for water supplies. A promising instrument for next space exploration, it will be transported to Mars by a rocket and land using a parachute module. Almost triple today's count, 115 million individuals will be blind by 2050. Beyond numbers is a fundamental question. How may the blind people's quality of life be raised? A Swiss team presents a wearable gadget called Biped, which looks like a tiny Tesla worn on the breast. It is fit even for those with hearing problems since it uses artificial intelligence to detect impediments and transmits navigation commands using bone conduction headphones. Biped weighs just 900 grams, uses GPS for coordinates, offers a 170-degree field of view, and has 24 hours of battery life. DJI Makings presents the revolutionary game-changer for emergency services, TY3R. Combining drone technology with a life preserver, the TY3R can be remotely piloted from up to 11 meters away and take off from water. Though in difficult offshore conditions, it reaches 13 meters per second, perfect for quick rescue operations. It stands against waves up to force 2 and winds up to force 6. Should the signal drop, it naturally finds its basis. With a price tag of $11,803, this creative gadget guarantees accurate delivery and recovery, so it is a great instrument for rescuing lives during aquatic operations. By deploying their innovative solar concentrator, Austrian company HelioVers is redefining solar energy collection. Typical layouts include fragile mirrors and glass, making transportation and installation difficult. HelioVers replaces these with durable plastic films to save 55% without losing performance. Their first 220-meter industrial concentrator runs in Spain. Technical heat supply saves a lot of diesel fuel in this revolutionary design. Due to its sturdy and lightweight construction, HelioVers' solar concentrator is cheaper and more sustainable for industrial use. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.